latest updates, subscribe to News9.
64,399 cases have been reported in the last 24 hours and 861 deaths were reported due to COVID-19. This is the single highest spike in the number of cases reported in 24 hours, with India's COVID tally passing the 21 lakh mark. According to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the reported active COVID-19 cases in India now stands at 6,28,747. The death toll due to COVID-19 across the country now stands at 43,379. Over 14 lakh patients have recovered across the country since the beginning of the pandemic. As per the latest health bulletin released by the Union Ministry, there are 6,28,747 active cases, 14,80,884 people have recovered from the infection, and 43,389 deaths have been reported due to the infection. For 11 straight days now, COVID-19 cases in India have risen by over 50,000. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, 7,19,364 samples were tested on August 8th. Over 2.41 crore samples have been tested in the country so far. Maharashtra has 1,47,355 active coronavirus cases, the highest in the country. Maharashtra reported over 10,000 fresh cases in 24 hours, taking the total number of cases to 4,90,000. Maharashtra has 1,45,582 active cases as of Friday morning, with over 3,27,281 recoveries and 17,092 deaths. India's COVID recovery rate currently stands at 68.32%. According to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the fatality rate in the country stands at 2.04%. There has been a sharp increase in COVID-19 recoveries, with 48,900 patients discharged in the last 24 hours. India's total recoveries from COVID-19 has reached 14,27,005. The recovery rate on a steady upward rise stands at 68.32%. The fatality rate has continued to fall progressively and stands at 2.04% as on date. With focused efforts to reduce mortalities due to COVID-19, India has registered one of the lowest deaths per million at 30 as compared to the global average of 91 deaths per million. Globally, over 19.5 million cases of coronavirus and 7.25 lakh deaths have been reported due to COVID-19.